Did we get that 1940 Ford delivery van done for Hope This Works and Making Sawdust? Stay tuned, you'll find out. Welcome back to FrankNCarrie's Adventures. Been working on that 1940 Ford delivery for Hope This Works and Making Sawdust. I did get it done. I'll show you that here in a little bit. But first, I had some setbacks on it while I was doing it, and I'll show you right here what one of the problems was. Good thing I had another kit. Anyway, as I showed you, I was painting that black pearl on it, and I don't know what happened. It was completely covered, and I put a light coat of lacquer clear on it to seal the paint. But this is what happened. The paint actually, I don't know if it pulled away from it or what happened there. But on the other side, you notice around the doors it did the same thing. It just, the paint just went weird. So I'm glad I had another body. I'll take this one and strip it down and reuse it. But it did the same thing on the rest of it. Now on the one I got done, it didn't do that. I did have a few little minor problems with it. So it's not perfect, but it looks good. I took pictures as I was doing it, and I'll show you those here too. Other than that, it went good. In this model, you can do it as an old car. You can do it as a dragster car. There's some little things, other things you can do with it, but I chose not to do the chrome strip. I'll show you on this one. The chrome strip that goes down the side. I decided not to do that because it looked better without it after I got to thinking about it. And also where the hood is cut out for the blower, I didn't do the chrome down the center and down the front of the hood. Just because I think it looks a lot better that way. Looks more cleaner. I was happy the way it did turn out, but I gotta let it dry for probably a couple days before I put it in the glass case to send it off. That way when the glue is drying, it puts off a fume basically like a super glue does, and it will actually fog up in the glass case. It'll stick to everything. If there's a fingerprint or whatever, it'll show it. So I gotta let it dry good for a couple days before I get it sent off. It's late at night, and I picked up a 1/8 scale, no, it's a 1/6 scale dragster. I picked that up, and it is a metal body, metal car, but it is a collector. It was put out by Matco Tools in the 1980s and into the early 90s, I think, is what I read on it. And I'll show you pictures of that too. But I was lucky enough to get it. I like it. I've always wanted one, but you can't find models up anymore. So I keep my eyes out. You can find models of the late models, the old ones with the engine in the front. But as far as the newer type, I can't find them. I've looked and I've looked and I've looked and I can't find them. So came across this one, and it cost me about $50 to put. I've always wanted one, and it is a collector. It's numbered, so I'm happy with that. Anyway, here's those pictures, and then so I hope you stick around and see those, and we'll just let you take a good look at everything. Tell me what you think of what happened on this one. I'd like to kind of figure it out, and put that in the comments. Give the video a thumbs up if you like it. If you're just watching for the first time, subscribe. And there'll be some suggested videos at the end. It is basically springtime around here, so I don't know if I'm going to start another model build here soon, because I'm going to start working. There's a few little bit of snow in the yard here and there, but I can work around it, get the lawn cleaned up and everything like that, so I can get the new grass coming, get it fertilized, stuff like that. But I will probably do some model builds in between, so if you're a modeler and that's what you're here for, so just kind of hang in there, and there'll be modeling videos in here and there. Closer we get to summer, it's going to be me and Miss Carrie's going to be out on the UTV, out on the desert, back out around the caves, stuff like that, to see if we can't find some arrowheads or some artifacts or something like that and get it on camera. Because around here you can't just pick them up and take them home. So with that said, here's the pictures and the video of the finished car. Go over to Hope This Works and Makin Sawdust. Check him out. He's going to be doing a video once he receives this, and he's going to put his input on it and what he thinks of it, everything like that. So make sure you check him out, subscribe to his channel so you don't miss his videos. I greatly appreciate Kevin for what he has done for us. So thanks again. Catch you on the next one. While you're here, why don't you check out some of these other videos? It's going to be right up here, right in this area, over here somewhere. Just watch it for it in this area over here. Okay? Make sure you watch them. You'll like them. Bye.